All right, this is a brief lesson on Standard 7, the FFFP, the fundamental fact of fraction pairs, which is any two fractions can be put on the same scale, i.e. can be given a common denominator. Okay? And we can always use the product of the two denominators as the common denominator, right? 1/2 and 2/5. These can be put on the same scale. We will use 10, 2 times 5 as the denominator. So let's multiply 1/2 top and bottom by 5. And 2/5 top and bottom by 5. By 2. And now these two fractions have been put on the same scale. So we can add them, we can compare them. Okay, and in general, if you have just two fractions, a over b and c over d, no matter what b and d are, we can say, hey, a over b is equal to ad over bd, and c over d is equal to bc over bd, right? We can always use the product of the two original denominators as the new common denominator. Thus, any two fractions can be put on the same scale. And that's important because once you're on the same scale, then you're basically just doing whole number arithmetic again, except instead of being on the unit scale, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're on the, say, tenths scale, 0 tenths, 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, like so.